How to Use Gemini Live for Real-Time Conversations, 2026 Guide. What if you could talk to AI just like a real person? No typing, no waiting, just a natural back and forth conversation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Gemini Live step by step. Let's get started. First, download the Google Gemini app from your App Store and sign in with your Google account. Step 1. Open Gemini Live. Once you're inside the app, look for the wave or headphone icon at the bottom. Tap it to enter Gemini Live mode. Step 2. Allow microphone access. If this is your first time, your phone will ask for microphone permission. Tap Allow. This is required for voice conversations. Step 3. Start talking naturally. Now just speak like you normally would. You can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, get help with tasks. No need for commands, just talk naturally. Step 4. Interrupt anytime. You don't have to wait for Gemini to finish. Just speak again to change direction, add more details. This makes it feel like a real conversation. Step 5. End the session. When you're done, tap the end button. Your conversation may be saved for later review. Pip. Use Gemini Live when you can't type, like driving, walking, cooking. It's like having a smart assistant always ready to talk. And that's it. Now you know how to use Gemini Live for real-time conversations in 2026. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.